In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a modern poster in Canva. We're going to walk through everything step by step, from opening up your design to exporting a polished modern poster that's ready to share or print. Keep Canva open in your browser so you can follow along in real time. First, start your design. Go to Canva.com and log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, go to the search bar at the top and type in poster. You'll see a category called poster with different styles under it. Click on poster to open a new document with standard poster sizing. If you want more control, you can also click on Create a Design in the top right corner and choose Poster from the dropdown. If you need a custom size for a specific frame or printing requirement, choose Custom Size instead and type in your exact dimensions, then click Create New Design. From here, Canva opens a blank canvas in a new tab, and this will be your workspace. Now set a modern background. On the left side, click on Design or Background, depending on your layout, or just click on the blank canvas. At the top, you'll see a color tile. Click this to open the color picker. For a modern poster, a solid color is often the cleanest choice. Try a bold, saturated color for impact or a clean white background for a minimal design. If you want something a little more dynamic, you can search for gradient under the Background or Photos tab and apply a subtle gradient with soft transitions. Make sure the background is not too busy because we want your text and visuals to stand out clearly. Next, add your visuals including images and graphics. On the left, click Uploads if you want to bring in your own photos. Click Upload Files, choose an image from your computer, and once it appears in your uploads, click it to place it on the poster. Resize by dragging the corners and move it where you want it. If you don't have your own photos, use Canva's library. Click on Elements or Photos, then search for something that matches your theme like modern architecture, abstract shapes, or minimal illustration. Under Elements, scroll to find Frames, Shapes, and Graphics. Frames let you place images inside interesting shapes. Click on a frame you like, place it on the canvas, and then drag a photo into it so it snaps inside. You can also use simple shapes like circles, rectangles, or abstract lines to add structure. Try arranging images inside grids for a clean, organized layout. This creates that modern, structured look where everything feels intentional and aligned. Now incorporate text. On the left, click the Text tool. You'll see options to add a heading, subheading, or body text. Start with your main headline. Click Add a Heading, type in your poster title, and move it into place. For a modern feel, choose a clear sans serif font. In the font dropdown, look for fonts like Montserrat, Poppins, or other clean, simple styles. Increase the font size so your headline is bold and easy to read from a distance. Next, add a subheading for key information like a date, event name, or tagline. Click Add a Subheading and place it near your main title. Use a medium font size and maybe a lighter weight. Then add smaller text for details such as location, time, or contact info. This creates a clear hierarchy: big bold headline, medium subheading, and smaller detail text. Use font weights and sizes to separate these levels and keep your text aligned left, right, or center for a clean layout. From here, focus on designing for modernity using a few key tips. First, white space. Do not fill every inch of the poster. Leave breathing room around your text, images, and edges. This makes your design look cleaner and more professional. Next, your color palette. Stick to 2 or 3 main colors. For example, use one primary color for the background, a secondary color for accents or shapes, and a neutral like white or black for text. This keeps everything cohesive. Pay attention to balance. Arrange your text and graphics so the poster feels even, not too heavy on one side. You can place a bold image on one half and your text on the other, or stack everything vertically with clear spacing. Finally, create contrast. Use light text on a dark background or dark text on a light background. Make important text larger and bolder so the viewer's eye goes there first. If you want to use AI, this part is optional but powerful. On the left sidebar, click Apps. Look for Magic Media or image generation options. Open it, then type a prompt like minimalist geometric background or modern abstract shapes in blue and white. Generate an image, and when you see one you like, add it to your canvas. You can use it as your main background or as a secondary graphic behind your text. Adjust transparency if needed so your text is still easy to read. Now review and export your poster. Zoom out to see the whole design. Check spelling, spacing, and alignment. Make sure nothing is cut off at the edges and everything important is readable. When you're happy with it, go to the top right corner and click Share, then Download. For web or social media, choose PNG for a sharp image. For printing, choose PDF print for higher quality. Click Download and save it to your computer. You've now created a modern poster in Canva, from a blank canvas all the way to a finished, downloadable design.